CHA Spotlight features the all-new Songbirds. It celebrates the transformative experience of music. Located in downtown Chattanooga, upstairs in the historic Choo Choo, the epicenter of music.
If you loved Songbirds before, you're going to love it even more now. The museum is now an interactive experience for everyone, for your family, for your kids, and even if you've never picked up a guitar. I can see it now.
Hello? Hello? Back to the video? This new space offers STEAM-based installations. That's great for education, but that's not all. It has a Chattanooga history zone. And the cool thing is, it would not be Songbirds without a great plethora of guitars.
Also check out the Celebrity Guitar Room with guitars from famous guitarists like Chuck Berry, and the amazing Performance Hall with live music and events throughout the year to please the music lover in you.
Songbirds is open Wednesday through Sunday from 12 until 6 p.m. If you love music education, if you are a family that loves music, a child or an adult that loves music, this is the place that you want to be.
This is the CHA Spotlight at visitchattanooga.com.